It is very common for a lot of decoration shops to allow customers to come to the shop's location to pick up their order. So within the admin, settings, shipping, methods, we can create a custom shipping method and call it customer pickup. And then from there, we can come into the price breakdown, and we're going to want to make sure that it's 0, or maybe we do want to charge for this. And then set the shipping location. So, I don't want the entire US to think that they can come pick up. I mean, that just logistically doesn't make sense. So I'm located in Columbus, Ohio, which is the dead center of the state. So I'm only going to let Ohioans have this option, as that's the only time it makes sense. If I want to, I can further filter by just zip code. So I could just enter a few zip codes. So we'll do that, and we'll just separate them using a comma. Very easy to do. And instead of just looking at the state, we're looking at the specific area using the zip codes. I can also control the availability. So if you have an affiliate network of sites, you may not want every site to just have customers coming to your shop to pick up an order. So maybe you set it so that it's not on any store by default, but it is available to this specific site. It is very common to also sometimes you want to send out an email notification for a batch store to say, hey, your orders are now available to be picked up from this coach. So sometimes you'll make a customer email pickup, in this case template, to just be applied to that one affiliate site. So let's go over how to control what email is sent for each shipping method. So if we come into email and order templates, email templates, this is where we have all of our customer notification email templates. One of the most common ones that you want to create a new version of, or one of the only few you can, is this new shipped email. So it really doesn't matter if it's standard, express, international. In this case, I'm going to just tell that the email template says, hey, your order's been shipped, and it'll also often include a tracking link based on how I shipped the order. But for a customer pickup email or an email notification for an affiliate site like, hey, come grab this from your coach during next practice or at the school, you want to create a new email template. And in this case, I'll just call it customer pickup. And then I'm going to say that it's only used for this specific shipping method, customer pickup. And then I can customize the template. So instead of saying the following items have been shipped, I can say something more like the following items are ready to be picked up at, and then I would use the address of the shop. So I'm just going to say 123 Condit Drive, Pataskala, OH. And then I'll say, okay, you can come Monday through Friday between 9 a.m. and 5 p.m. That's simple. If your customer got an email that said, hey, your order's on its way when they were expecting to come pick it up, that's going to confuse them. So we really want to send this email to our customers who are going to pick up their order to let them know, hey, it's available. Now, your customer will not receive this email until the order has been marked as shipped. So if you have a customer pickup order, make sure that once it gets to the shipping phase that you actually mark it as shipped. Otherwise, your customer will not get that notification and will not know that it's available for pickup. Hopefully you find this video helpful, and thank you for watching.